Hello guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how to promote on Reddit without getting banned. Let's get started. Do you know how to optimize your post on Reddit so that you can build your credibility without moderators kicking you out of their community? Reddit is a social media platform where self-promotion is sometimes not allowed in their community. Your marketing promotions can be shared if you learn how to promote it without getting banned or deleted. First, learn the rules of subreddits. Before you share a post on a specific Reddit, check the subreddit's rules first. See if they allow sharing content that you want to post in their community. Check if the topic that you'll share is relevant, and carefully study their rules so that you will avoid getting banned. Next, limit your posts. Once you learn the rules of the subreddit, you can see if their community does not allow self-promotions. If that subreddit does not allow self-promotions, you should not share content where you share the URL of your website or promote your business directly to the members of the community. You can share relevant educational content instead of promotional content. You can attract users to upvote your posts if they like it. Just contribute as much as you can to the community to produce positive comments and reactions. Next, comment on other posts. Look for comments on posts that ask for help or advice. If you see a post that asks for a recommendation, you can offer a solution as a comment on their post. See if there's an opportunity where you can promote your products or services. You might be surprised that these people are already interested with the products or services that you offer. Take note that you should promote your products or services indirectly in the comment section. You can provide a solution to their problem. See if their issues is solved using the instructions that you sent as a solution. Next, increase your karma. Increasing your karma shows that you have been a Redditor for a while now. It also shows that you have been sharing relevant content in the community and engaging with the other members by offering solutions. Having a higher number of karma will help you post content in large subreddit communities that has thousands of members. Next, look for posts that you are an expert of. If you see posts that are related to your niche, you can provide solutions that are helpful to these posts. This way, you will gain credibility as you help more Redditors resolve their issues or inquiries. Next, make sure not to add hyperlinks to your text. If you are sharing the name of your business or your brand, do not include the link where they can learn about your business. Instead, write the name of your brand in plain text only. Doing this will allow your posts or comments to seem as though you're only mentioning your brand as a convenience to the other Redditors. It won't seem as though you are promoting it. Next, post quality content. You can share content that you already know as you are an expert of that topic and you have done your research well. You can even share how-to guides so that Redditors will appreciate your post, and you can expect users to comment on these types of posts. And there's a greater chance that your post will get upvotes. Next, reply to every comment on your posts. Once your post is submitted, take the time to check if there are comments in your post. Make sure to respond to make it more engaging. And as you keep on engaging, you will earn karma and build trust with the Redditors who comment on your post. If you need to run multiple ad accounts, multi-account social media, blog, and group marketing campaigns, we have a marketing app that can help your business run multiple marketing campaigns successfully. It's called Loggy. It is the first multi-login, multi-account, anti-detect browser. First, run ads from multiple accounts. You can run multiple accounts and do multi-account marketing securely. You can gain 100% protection on all social media sites, forums, and blog sites. You can avoid wasting money on slow and expensive VPSs. You can secure multi-login browsing right on your computer. You can even scale your business and earn profits with multi-login marketing. Run multi-login, multi-account campaigns for yourself or your clients. Loggy has the ultimate anti-detect protection for your digital marketers. It has geodata protection, IP protection, independent cookies, time zone anti-detection, and more. So try Loggy now. Go to loggy.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.